Welcome to my channel. This is where I take a corner of a gas fireplace and TV and put it in the center room. Did it with a shiplap finish, which made the room a lot bigger and more spacious. This was done last year. I'm just coming out with a video now, I understand, but I just thought I'd share it. Okay, off camera, we had a lot of commotion here with the flooring and everything. So basically, I just built a rectangular piece with the spacers in between, just rough. Screwed it into the joists in the back. Put the spacer here and screw that in here. Then screw this to there for support. I also put a few spacers here, which will give strength to the shiplap to nail in, so it gives a little more strength, backing, and also holds this up. Basically, the white one's 10 inches outward, so we made it about, I think, let me just get it here. That sounded so bad, the white one 10 inches. So I made it 9 inches. I made it 9, and overall length to get 9 because of the 2x6 is 15. So minus all that, right now it's 9.5, minus the 1/2 inch with the shiplap, it's 9. And I made a 2x3 so I can make the mantle really any thickness I want because it's going to be sitting on here. I will be putting having 2 screws on either side to hold it from sliding out afterwards. Then I will be putting it after the shiplap. Yeah, I'll be putting it after. And if I put it before, I'll knock you around it. Okay then, next part. Oh, and down there I put some extra, you notice down there, I put some extra backing there for the shiplap. And yes, I did put the fireplace in.